How's it going, YouTube? Welcome to part 13 to Intro to GUI and Java series. Today we're going to be talking about JOptionPanes. Alright, let's get straight to the code. First we need to import our JOptionPane. So import javax.swing JOptionPane. JOptionPanes are pretty much dialog boxes. They can be message dialogs, confirmation dialogs, input dialogs, or option dialogs. First, we're going to discuss message dialogs. Message dialogs are simple messages of text. They can have error messages, question messages, information messages, warning messages, or plain messages. The only difference between these types of message boxes is the symbol shown. So you would have to gear the text toward the type of dialog box that you choose to use. So we're going to start off by saying JOptionPane .show message dialog, and there are three types of constructors for the message dialog, but we're going to go with the one with only 4 inputs. So this, then we're going to have our message. Our first message is going to be error message, so we're going to say there's an error in your program. Then we're going to have another string, which is going to be the title of our message box. So we're going to say error message. Next, we need to say what type of message the JOptionPane is going to show. So JOptionPane.error message. So when we run our program, we get an error message that says there's an error in your program. The next message type we're going to discuss is the question message. So for the first string, we're going to say, are you short? Second string, we're going to call this a question message. Then for our JOptionPane, we're going to say JOptionPane dot question message. Then we run again, and now we have our question message, and we say, are you short? And then our symbol is a question mark. Next, for the information message, we're going to say 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. Then we're going to say information message for our second string. And then for our JOptionPane, we're going to say JOptionPane dot information message. And we have 2 plus 2 equals 4. And then we have our I symbol, which represents the information message. For the warning message, we'll say don't touch that. Then we're going to say warning message. Then for our JOptionPane, JOptionPane dot warning message. This time we have a triangle danger sign. And our last message type is the plain message. So let's say hi, my name is. Then for our second string, plain message. Then for our JOptionPane, we're going to say JOptionPane dot plain message. And then we don't have any symbols, we just have our text. For our second type of JOptionPanes, we're going to discuss confirmation dialogs. Confirmation dialogs are indeed confirmations. Confirmation dialogs will have a yes, no, or a cancel option. So let's say we say JOptionPane dot show confirm dialog, and we have this, which refers to our JFrame. Then we're going to say, do you like ice cream? We're going to say confirmation. Then we're going to say JOptionPane dot yes, no, cancel. So the confirmation dialog returns an int. So we would need to check the integer value to decide what the user picked as their option. So we're going to say int option is equal to our JOption confirmation dialog. Then we're going to do a switch statement for our option, and we're going to say case 0, which is equivalent to yes, label set text to yay, and then we're going to break Next we say case 1, which is equivalent to no, label.set text to boo, break as well. And then lastly, case 2, which is equivalent to cancel, label.set text to So we run our program. We say, do you like ice cream? We pick yes. Our JLabel says yay. If we say no, we get booed. We hit cancel. For the third type of JOptionPane, we're going to talk about input dialogues. Input dialogues return a string value. So we're going to say string input is equal to JOptionPane.show input dialog. And we're going to simply say this, which refers to our JFrame, and then our question. So let's ask, what is your last name? Then for our input, Then for our output, we're going to say label.set text to hello plus input. So we run our program. We say, what is your last name? Let's say Martin. And then our JLabel says, hello, Martin.
Funny.
For the last type of JOptionPanes, we're going to talk about option dialogues. So first we need to create a string array. So string options is equal to Goku, Luffy, Naruto, and Deku. And next we need to create our JOptionDialog. Option dialogues return an int value. So we're going to say int option is equal to JOptionPane.show OptionDialog. And this is a very long constructor. So we're going to say we have this, which refers to our JFrame. Then we have our string of text for our message. And we're going to ask who's your favorite anime character. Then we're going to have a string for the title of our JOptionPane, which is OptionDialog. And then we're going to have two types of JOptionPane messages. Then null refers to an image icon if you want to add an image to your JOptionPane. And then option refers to, of course, our array. And then 0 refers to your JOptionPane. So under that, we have our label set to the text of what option the user chooses in the JOptionPane. So let's run our program. Our option dialog is going to ask, who's your favorite anime character? We pick Goku. Our label says Goku lover. Try again, we pick Luffy. Luffy lover. Naruto. Naruto lover. Lastly, Deku. Deku lover. So those are the basics of JOptionPanes in Java. If you have any questions, comment below. Thank you for watching.